upcarparts.com offers retrofit inserts for upgrading your LED taillights for the 1967 through 1972 Chevrolet and GMC Suburban and panel truck, the fleet-side pickup, and the 69 through 72 Blazer and Jimmy. They are designed to install with no modifications to your classic vehicle. Each LED insert is conformal coated for moisture resistance and has a built-in pad for a tight installation. These retrofit inserts will illuminate the entire lens, complete with 61 top-to-bottom super bright LEDs. They are dual function with taillight and stop and turn signal. We designed these simply to install inside the original lens and taillight housing to keep the classic look. upcarparts.com also offers new lenses if your old lenses are looking faded or cracked. The electrical connection to the LED inserts is made with our unique plug that installs into the original light bulb socket. These 1157 style plugs even have a screwdriver slot that makes installation a snap. New housings and gaskets are also available. Our housings are stamped steel and include the socket. The efficient low power draw of the LED lighting requires an upgraded turn signal flasher. Our LED flasher replaces the original thermomechanical unit. It works with original incandescent bulbs as well as a mix of LED and incandescent, or all LED. Get your parts, build your passion. upcarparts.com.